welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're not here, been here before, welcome back. Today's another fall look, and my friend Candy, who suggested my last video of colors, she wanted another green and gold look. Um, since planning fall looks and everything else, what colors you want to see? What's your favorite colors of all time, basically, and see if I can find a look for you guys and see if it works for you. I know my last video was talking about some stuff. I was excited to get back to makeup actually, because yeah, I got some acting spots. I don't know what's going on, but I already did my eyebrows. I used an e.l.f. and I have not used Milani. I need to definitely get some more of this stuff because the stuff I like. But do you, what kind of eyebrow whatever this is called, what is your favorite? Because I like to know. And yes, I am cruelty-free, so it's gonna be hard for me to see. But I want to know what's your favorite, because there's days I just fill in my brows just using this, and some days I just do this. But for this look, I don't know if you can see. Hang on. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I'm trying to get natural lighting outside because I'm actually filming it during the day. Really rare, but I don't know. This is me. Okay, very much, but I feel like nails better. So I'm going with Coastal Scents for this look. I will put links below where you can get the colors. They are affiliated links, so yes. And this is the Karity Professional Frost Palette. These have 21 frost. I got this on sale. I do like this, but for this green, I mean for the gold, because I am using different golds. I'm thinking like a bronzy gold for the dark green. See if that will work. I'm thinking is using this kind of green gold right here. It's called Gold Digger. So I'm gonna use this. It's not gonna be a halo or a half cut crease or anything like that. It's gonna be like a simple one you can wear every day, I guess. I don't know. Depends how you want to do. I like to do everyday looks. I like to ones that are wearable. And my cats were driving me nuts as per usual. I will never get rid of my cats. But yeah, acne. I'm trying to do something different too to calm my nerves down. It's a calming thing. I already drink it. It's okay. Like, it's good flavors to it. It's just, yeah. Now I'm going to use a hard candy one. This is $6. They are, for this particular extract powder from hard candy, I think they discontinue it, which is fine by me because I can always which ones I want. Like, I like to try different ones, so I have Milani's and I have Wise, so I know I'm good. I know I'm good because I don't wear makeup every day. So, especially that I wear makeup on my days off, so I'm doing videos, but yeah. But yeah, sorry for the noise. The kids are up, so. Oh, it's called Forest Green. It's this color. I'm actually going to use this as a transition shade. It is a really pretty color. So, I do like it. It's one of those colors that you can wear. I wash my brushes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the screen as a I'm just gonna use it as a light shade right here. I don't know why I was thinking of getting the gloss palette, but not bronzy gold, I guess. It's very pigmented. I've used this, I think, a couple of times, and I stopped using it. To tell the truth, I don't know why I stopped using it. Cool. But I think this is such a pretty color. Could have used this yellow coat. I don't know. A lot of different coats, I guess. So this is a dark golden olive. So it does have like gold shimmer, like a gold undertone to it, like a duochrome, which you can't really see. Well, you kind of can. But I do like this. This is a but if you like a photo brand and you want to try out some new brands, go for it. I put that green right here because we are going to deepen that up. I think, yeah, it's a nice gradient color. Actually, we're gonna I'm gonna use Janet. Janet's just this color right here. Let me show you. This is Janet right here. It's like a white color. Should have brought my other one. This is a nice little pink, peachy color, which like has a nice little pink undertone. But you know what? It works because I don't want that gold all over the place. So what we're gonna do is use Dora. Yeah, I'm gonna use Dora right here. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna see if I can. This brush. Okay, here more. Okay, we're gonna do this. Just do like a little bit right there. Oh, truth, I should be right back, and I will have my face on and just finish the eyeshadow look. And this will be a short little video. And I'm a 9. You want a cat? I got a question. Do you want a cat? Because I don't like you too. I will never give up. I never give up that one. Actually, I'm gonna give up Stella, Halloween, or her not. The other cats, I have mine. That sounds bad, but I'll be right back and I'll tell you what I've done and the props that I've used. So, you're right. I am back. Sorry for the noises because we're outside now, since, you know, whatever. This is the finished look. I did so good with the eyeliner. I am so, honest, like it's just, my eyeliner is so good. I'm not gonna fix this one. This is always my left side's always the problem. But I do like how this eyeshadow went in my way, which is rare. So much fun. So the products I use is Milani. Um it's oxidizing a little bit, which is weird, weird. Because usually this doesn't oxidize. So maybe because it's the weather, I don't know. Then I use this as to neutralize the foundation. I think I need to add a little bit more. Maybe that's what happened. So my nose like really itches. And then, of course, I did use a combination of two things. I used NYX Butter Lipstick in Boardwalk, not Bedrock, Boardwalk, and I used this color from Koki Cosmetics. I does not say what color is this. It does not say what color is this, but I did use this one as the top. It's a lip veneer. It's a cream gloss, which I think it's gonna be perfect for the season coming up because I think glosses and creamy lipsticks are better for the fall because during the winter time / fall / winter, some things just dries out. So it's always good to make sure your lips are good. I did use a little chapstick. Smooth out my lips a little bit. It's the Glossy Bomb Star Mint Glossy Bomb from Jersey Shore. From Jersey Shore Cosmetics, cruelty-free. They're vegan. I think they're vegan. If they are vegan, I mean, mint flavors are actually my favorite anyway. And yeah, so this is the finished look. I do like this look. I think this is similar to a look I did. I don't know. But yeah, I can tell my foundation is a little bit oxidizing because usually I can match to my neck, which I usually do anyway. And this time it did not do so good. So my face was a little bit red today because I don't know why. My skin's just changing just it's due to my age. Yeah, I know. I'm so old. I'm 26 going on 27. But this is really good. I like like my skin itches. I don't know if it's because of the foundation or the brushes I've been using because sometimes I get hair. But and I did use um oh shit. Excuse my language. I am sorry because usually I don't. Oh, I did use this. This is in Bum Bum. This is like my favorite go-to highlighter. No matter what color looks because it's over a neutral shade, but it's also a dupe for the all nighter from the all nighter one from I think Urban Decay's ones and Sin. You know what I'm talking about. And this is like a similar product, but it says undertone, a neutral undertone, which I do like because you're fair like me or a little bit darker than me. This will work. If you're a little bit like an olive to, I think an olive will work. But if you go darker, I think this will just wash you out. It does have a nice good underneath. So I think it will work with warmer shades, like I said, undertone, warmer undertone. But if you're cooler, I don't think it will work as much. Cool. I don't know if it will work much, but I'm a neutral. It works for me because it's perfect to me. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this video, hit the like button because likes are good. If you haven't already and want to be part of this world of my crazy world, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.